Now that you recognize the IWCA's Code of Ethics and how a professional integrative wellness coach handles the administration of their coaching practice with clients, let's turn our attention to identifying your personal self-directed approach to coaching by clarifying your coaching philosophy. After all, it's your own personal enthusiasm, your own guiding principles that motivate you to help others as a life coach. Your philosophy, when put into a coaching statement, lays out your fundamental reasons for coaching in the first place. This can help you in establishing your ideal client base, as well as in your marketing, which we cover in another course. To begin, identify your purpose for coaching. For example, maybe you wish to help others avert some of the challenges that you've experienced in life. Perhaps you've identified a need and feel called to fill that need. Maybe your purpose is to help others live life with a greater sense of well-being, confidence, or motivation. Write your primary purpose in one sentence on the handout provided. Now, identify your preferred delivery style. For example, do you aspire to lead large in-person groups or small mastermind initiatives? Do you want to coach one-on-one in person, or do you plan to leverage technology and offer your coaching sessions via Skype or another compatible technology? Write down the delivery style that you're committed to on the handout provided. Step 3 involves identifying your guiding principles and your own personal values. These are in addition to the IWCA values and are an important element in your development as a coach. Your personal values will help you set your North Star and guide your conduct across all coaching sessions, even when faced with challenging situations. Your values will also guide you in determining whether a potential client is a good fit for you and vice versa. In this sense, a value creates a bright line that makes your in-the-moment coaching decisions much easier to make. On the handout, write a list of 3 to 5 values that will guide and inform your coaching practice. Some values others have reported are integrity, respect for others, authenticity, adventure, fairness, hard work, humility, openness. Now combine all 3, your overarching purpose for coaching, your preferred delivery style, and your 3 to 5 guiding principles, and create a brief coaching statement or a mission statement that will motivate you and guide your practice. To help others experience a greater sense of well-being, I, or my coaching company, will conduct in-person coaching sessions one-on-one that are guided by respect, openness, hard work, and generosity. Once you have written your coaching statement, keep it close at hand over the next few weeks and make any changes necessary. The point is to create something that is real for you, something that speaks to you. This will be a living document, and you should revisit it as often as necessary.